A very good morning to my students. I hope we all are safe and sound at your home. Now, listen, students, listen very carefully whenever any video is sent to you by your teacher. Now, just see how many trees are here. There are 3 trees, and this is a single tree. Today we are going to start with the chapter related to these numbers. Nouns, number. Now, a noun is said to be a singular if it refers to one person or thing. Singular means single. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing. Now, just see bird, toy. I'm not saying boys, I'm not saying twice, I'm saying boy, toy, pencil, photo, lake, river, bike. The girl is now here. It is a singular noun. Girl is a noun. What kind of noun it is? It is a common noun. No name is given to the girl. So at the same time, it is a singular noun. Single girl is there. Understood? A noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. Now, if we are talking about more than one person or thing, birds, toys, pencils, horses, kites, ears, windows, benches. S is there, so this becomes plural. The boys are shouting, plural noun. Is this clear? Now, we can change a singular noun to plural noun by adding s or es suffix to the noun. Book. This is a singular. When we add it becomes books. Tree. When we add s, it becomes trees. Glass. When we add s, when we add es, it becomes glasses. So there are certain suffixes that we are adding to the singular nouns to make them plural. Note that the nouns ending in a hissing sound. S, s. Just see. These are the hissing sounds. Add es to the singular form. There we add when we end with the hiss sound. Let us say, I'm again repeating that nouns ending in a hissing sound add es to a singular form. Understood? Now just see. There are again here it was very easy to add s or es. Now here most nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing the f or fe into ves. Now just see example leaf. F is there, it becomes leaves. Half, f is there, it becomes halves. Clear? We are adding ves. Understood? So there are different spellings that you are going to learn it. Again, there are few things that you are going to learn it properly. Again, there are, if a noun ends with y and the y has a consonant. Now just see, y has a consonant before it. T is a consonant sound. Now if there is a consonant before y, what we are going to do? We are going to add ies. This is clear? There are certain rules. If you don't want to learn the rules, these spellings are known to you. Being a student of 6th class, these spellings are already known to you. Clear? Only these are the things that are a little bit different. From man, it becomes men. From tooth, it becomes teeth. From woman, it becomes woman. These are little bit different things that you are going to learn it. Again, learn all these singular and plurals properly with spellings. Is this clear? Now, the plural of child is children and the plural of ox is oxen. Now just see. Scissors, spectacles, shorts, trousers, clothes are used in a plural form. Her spectacles are new. Plural verb is are. Is this clear? My shorts are faded. Plural verb are. Now, mathematics, news, politics and innings appear to be plural, but they are used as a singular noun. Understood? It seems to be a plural, but they are used as a singular noun. The news is, from is we come to know that we are talking about a singular noun. Here from are we come to know that we are talking about a plural noun. These are used as a plural nouns. These words are used as a plural nouns. These words are used as a singular nouns. Some nouns have same plural and singular form. Very interesting. How? The furniture is polished. Nouns like scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft are always used in a they are always used in a singular form. Is this clear? Cattle and people appear to be a singular noun. Cattle and people, this appear to be a singular noun, but they are used as plural nouns. The cattle are in the shed. The people were thrilled to see their favorite cricketer. Understood? Figures and letters are changed to plurals by adding s. Now, let's just see. When we add apostrophe s, let's just see. Add 2 6 to the 3s, 4s and the final and find the total. Now add 2 6, it means we are talking apostrophe s we are using for the 6. Add 2 because we are using 2 6 to the 3 4s and find the total. Sometimes we also use apostrophe s with these letters also. Now, abstract nouns like love, anger, beauty are not countable and they don't have any plural form also. Understood? Abstract nouns cannot be counted, so they don't have any plural form. Now, name of material or substances like copper, iron, wood, stone, paper. Again, I am repeating, names of materials or substances like copper, iron, wood or stone, paper known as material nouns are not countable. Understood? This is known as material noun, but this cannot be counted. We cannot count copper, iron or wood. Understood? They are used only in a singular form. Gold is precious. Paper is made from trees. Wood is expensive these days. We say the child is collecting stones. Stones implies pieces of stones. It is incorrect to say this cottage is made of stones. We should say this cottage is made of stone. Is this clear? Again, there are, just see the features. Nouns always used in plural forms. Nouns always used in plural form, and that are trousers, spectacles, shoes, scissors and jeans. Nouns which are same in singular form and plural form. Sheep, deer, fish and aircraft. They are same in a singular as well as plural form. Some nouns appear to be singular but are always used as plural, as we've just read about right now, people and cattle. Some nouns are always used as singular, like scenery, furniture and advice. These nouns appear plural but they are used as singular, politics, mathematics, news and measles. Then you have the related exercises that you're going to do it. Is this clear? These all are related exercises. Do it carefully. And after doing the exercises, then you're going to match your answers. Thank you, students, for listening to me.